Wanted to download a new favorite app, but the App Store is nowhere to be found on your iPhone? Don't panic just yet. Checking this iOS 18 setting might be the only thing that's needed to fix the problem. Let's dive in. First, launch the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. From the Screen Time menu, scroll down to the Restrictions section and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, if Content and Privacy Restrictions is enabled, you'll see other relevant options beneath it. Find iTunes and App Store purchases from the list of options and then tap on it to proceed. Under the Store Purchases and Redownload section, you'll see three main options: installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases. If installing apps is set to Don't Allow, tap on it and then select Allow. Be sure to enter the correct screen time passcode when prompted. That should bring the App Store back to your iPhone's home screen or apps library. By then, you should be all set to download and install new apps on your iOS device. Setting Installing Apps to Don't Allow in iPhone's Screen Time Content and Privacy Restrictions makes the App Store icon disappear and prevents new app installations. This feature is primarily used for parental control, self-management of app usage, or device management to restrict app downloads. Consider checking on this setting beforehand whenever the App Store goes missing on your iOS device. It's a crucial tool for managing app access and ensuring your device functions exactly as you intend. And that's it. Consider leaving a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.